Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers and everything. Thank you for all your good comments. I know you left a lot of comments and there are different things you want me to make and everything. I will be getting to it. Today, I'll be doing something different. Today, I won't be using the Power XL. I'll be using my Ninja mixer today. Today, I'll be doing something nice and healthy. Today, I'll be making a Very Berry Smoothie today. Today I'll be using some milk right here, some honey, a pear, banana, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberry. I'll be putting them in there right here. That right there is going to be one of the best smoothies you ever taste. We just love it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just cut this pear up nice and good and everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have everything together now. I'm gonna slice up my pear, I cut up my banana, and I have my 3 pieces of ice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just start putting some of this in the mix. I'm gonna put my pears in. Just drop them pears in just like this. Then I'm gonna put a couple strawberries in there. Like that. I'm gonna put some blackberries in. Put them blackberries in, kind of mix it up a little. And I'm gonna put my raspberries in. Put them in like, just like this. Put raspberries, and I'm throw me some bananas in there. This right here is my vitamins for the day. This is gonna be delicious. And I'm gonna throw some blueberries in there, just like that. So now I'm just gonna throw the rest of it in there. Put a couple pieces of ice in there too. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put a little honey in there. Just squeeze some in, just like that. That right there, that should be enough. And I'm gonna pour my milk into it. Get it nice and good. Right there. It's all in here, so I'm gonna sit it right here. Press it down and just turn it. Lock it in. Press power. Press smoothie. Okay, it's done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take it out. It's looking nice and good. So I'm gonna take this top off and give it a cup. I'm gonna pour me some in here. As you see, it's coming out nice and good. This right here is gonna be my vitamins for the day. When I get up in the morning, before I do what I had to do, have one of these. This right here is your Very Berry Smoothie. And it's delicious. Thank you for watching. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.